Hey, hello, this is Bill, and today I'm going to show you one of my little guilty pleasures. I'm going to make a chicken sandwich. Just a little lunch thing for me. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here is I've got a package of mushroom that I just sliced up, and I got a little olive oil. You know, mushrooms are like a sponge, they suck all the liquid up. So I just want to get those sweated out a little bit. A little color to them. And yeah, this is a last minute thing, so it should work. Just a little more cooked. So one of the things is I like to grill chicken, and I just take chicken breasts and I throw them on the grill. You can season them if you want, you can marinate, whatever you want to do, and then I individually wrap them up and throw them in the freezer. So situation like this, I got a chicken breast. I try and buy larger ones, a boneless breast, and literally this morning I threw it in the oven on a pan. It took about 15 minutes at 350 just to get it, because I got to be able to cut it. Alright, so mushrooms are looking pretty good. I want to get them too cooked. Alright, so they've pretty well given off all the fluid, so I'm going to throw a little onion in here. Happen to have a red onion, it doesn't really matter, whatever your preference or what you got sitting in the cupboard, refrigerator, whatever. I think this onion was left over from burgers last night. I just want to get these to start to wilt a little bit. Mix up with the mushrooms. Just want to make sure they're all broken up first. So like I said, I got this piece of chicken here. I've got a separate cutting board because obviously we have chicken meat. One of the things I've learned is I do not cook the chicken all the way, because we're going to finish it off in here. If you cook chicken all the way before you freeze it, it could be a little tougher. So I wouldn't eat it, less than well done. But at the same time, you want to get it off the grill before it's really cooked. Alright, so I got onion and mushroom. Alright, just turn it down a little bit. We're just going to pour a little barbecue sauce in here. Vinegar is going to help cook this up, get some flavor in here. Got my oven preheated to 350. Okay. Everything's starting to cook down. Get happy. I just like adding barbecue sauce. I think it really adds to the kind of outdoor cooking idea, flavor. Because I've already got the chicken cooked, I'm not worried about running out, whether it's hot, rainy, or just don't feel like it. I'll cook up. So, I talk about this all the time. What I do is I split the breast in half lengthwise so I have a thin patty, scallopini, whatever you want to call it. So first I'm just going to take my fillet knife. I'm just going to go through halfway, touch fingers, cut. If you don't do this right the first time, big deal. You got chicken to make Caesar salad out of or something. And I just come back around the other direction. So now I have two breasts. Oops. And I do need to make a little room here. So I'm going to throw this in. Save this one. I want about time for it. I'm going to just push this around so it's getting some of that barbecue sauce. Because I cut it in half, it's going to cook really, really fast. I did enough mushroom and onion for 2 sandwiches, in case one isn't enough, but I don't want it to be cold, so I'm going to put it one at a time. All the veggies are nice and cooked now. Definitely heated that chicken all the way through. You know, I really learned to experiment. I try lots of different barbecue sauces because, you know, that's a real personal preference. But you know, if you see something fun, if you know what you like, you know, maybe you want to go a little Asian, some more kind of like a teriyaki flavoring. I mean, you can do anything. It's all good and it's all going to work. Anything, you know, you have to have vinegar content to kind of break down the veggies. I don't like real sweet stuff, but I mean, you could use, you know, Carolina, South Carolina Gold, you know, that has a lot of mustard in it. That would be really good too. The one I use has, it's a little spicier. All right, so now I've got this chicken here. Flip it over. You can tell it's already cooked. Watch how easy this is. This pan stays pretty hot, so just turn it down. The key to this is being really creative. As much stuff on top as you can. If stuff falls off when you dish it up, who cares? I just want to get a lot of sauce on there. Round that up. Probably about as big as I can. So, this is a sandwich, right? So if it's a sandwich, you gotta finish it off. So I just happen to have a slice of cheese here. Just provolone, you can use anything you want. This is just gonna hold all this stuff together. In the oven. Let that beat through. So place here. Substitute. Found these oversized buns. They're fun because I like big burgers. So while my cheese is melting, which won't take long, what do I want? You can put tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, go crazy. Maybe you want a little arugula to have some little pepperiness to it, depending on what kind of barbecue sauce you put anything you want on here. I personally, this is the way I eat most of the time. Second favorite way is to put a little bit of bacon on there on the bottom. That always works with chicken. And these, you know, you could even use a big knife, you could cut in half and share it, but I'm really hungry this morning, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. Just check here. There. Getting there, it doesn't take long. And you saw how quickly that chicken heated through and cooked through. It really didn't take that long. You know, this whole process is from, you know, throwing the frozen piece of chicken in the oven, cutting up, you know, what you want, getting everything laid out. And, you know, you can certainly thaw a roll in that time, so you can have that in the freezer. I mean, just do all this stuff in that short period of time. You're talking half an hour, start to finish. You know, it probably takes me that long to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, you know, what the heck. All right.
See how this looks. Oh, hung up.
Okay. So there you have it. You got this beautiful sandwich. See how nice he fills that beautiful big. Can't you just envision? You just envision whatever you want in here. You know, I like mayonnaise. You put mayonnaise on the bun. You could, I mean, you could eat this with. I'm thinking what I got in the refrigerator right now. Today's shopping day, so it's a little thin, but this is a good sandwich. It's going to give me some energy, so I can hit the ground running, go to the store and buy some new stuff and make some new recipes for you. But this is just something really simple. There's nothing phony about it. It's as quick as, you know, quicker than making a TV dinner and much healthier for you. So I hope you all try this and enjoy it. Please subscribe, please comment, and I gotta eat me a sandwich. Have a good day.